Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to create this dramatic eye makeup look, which is going to look really beautiful. It's so wearable and easy, so if you want to know how I got this look, then please continue watching. So I've already prepped my face, and for foundation, I will be using Milani Conceal Plus Perfect Foundation in the shade Medium Beige. I really like this foundation because it gives me that dewy base. It's a very skin-like foundation, so that also becomes the reason why I really like this foundation. I'm using this corrector from Sugar, and this is in the shade Peach President. This will help me to erase all the darkness I have under my eyes, which is like way too intense. I'm using a PAC 219 concealer brush, and very gently I'll just blend this corrector all around my eye. For concealer, I'm using this PAC Takeover Concealer in the shade Paridhi. It perfectly matches my skin tone and helps in erasing the darkness. So use the shade which is best suited for your skin tone. And I'm using the same PAC concealer brush to blend this out, and I'm just very gently dabbing it. I'm not dragging it, no harsh motions, just very gently pressing it like this. The next concealer I'm using is this Sugar Concealer. This is in the shade Chococcino. I'll be doing some highlighting with the help of this concealer. And just look up. Now I'll set my under eye using this Maybelline Loose powder in the shade Light Medium. And just before I set my eye, I just want to make sure that there's no creasing. So very gently I'm just dabbing this concealer brush to remove any creasiness if it's there. I did my brows off camera. Now let's quickly start with the eye makeup. So for today's eye makeup, I'll be using this Makeup Revolution palette. This is Precious Stone Emerald. So the first shade which I'll be using as my transition shade is this chromatic shade right here. And I'm taking a fluffy blending brush, and I'm just dipping this brush on this shade. So I'm blending this transition shade onto my crease area. And with a very gentle, with a very free hand, I'm just blending this shade onto my crease. So some windshield wiper motions, some small circular motions, and I'm just blending this transition shade nicely onto my crease area. The next shade I'm taking is this moss shade, this green shade right over here. And I'm using a Wet n Wild brush P10. So I'm just packing this shade onto the outer corner of my eye, and I'm going to follow the eye shape. No dragging, no blending, just packing this shade on my crease area now. And now I'm placing it in my inner corner area, and with very gentle hands, very softly, I'm placing this. And now with a blending brush, this is from PAC, I'm just starting to blend out this shade. So I'm using very small circular motions to blend this color. And now I will bridge this gap which is there. Some windshield wiper motions, some small circular motions. These are the motions which will help you in achieving a well blended eye look. And you have to be really patient, guys. This blending will take time. You might feel tired, but the outcome is going to be all worth it. And now for this space in between which I've left, I will use this shade Vivid. This is a shimmery green color shade, a very beautiful shade, and I'll place this with the help of my finger. And I'm placing it only in the middle. And with the same P10 Wet n Wild brush, I'll take the first green shade, the moss shade, and I will start smudging this shade on my lower waterline. And with the help of another brush, I'll just smudge this color because I don't want the smudging to look harsh. So this is how the eye makeup has turned out. I went ahead and applied some highlighter in my brow bone and inner corner and some mascara. I used Maybelline Loose mascara, and now I'll complete my face off camera and we'll be right back. Now for lip liner, I'm using this Sugar Lip Liner in the shade Wood by Nude. And for lipstick, I'm using this Sugar lipstick in the shade Brownie Glowy. So this is the final look, you guys. I hope the eye makeup is looking good. I was really nervous to do this eye look, but I think I did good. Let me know all your thoughts in the comment section. I'll be providing all the details of the product in the description box with the links. You can also follow me on Instagram. I do a lot of makeup related content on my Instagram page, so I'll be providing the handle in the description box as well. And I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, then please hit the like button, share and subscribe to my channel. And please also hit the notification bell because then only you'll be notified whenever I'll be uploading a new video in future. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I shall see you in my next video. Till then, keep smiling, stay positive. Bye.